the automated cash app system. So what is it really? What's up guys, it's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm talking about the automated cash app system and really breaking it down because I've done several videos on it and I'm still getting questions on it. And one comment that I recently seen really struck a nerve, right? Somebody was like, oh well, let me get this straight, the automated cash app system, basically I'm just buying the opportunity to buy to sell a system that actually is not a system. You're not really selling anything. And I just want to make the video to be like, you're wrong. You're wrong. Alright? Automated cash app system is just like any other system. Right? It basically shows you, once you buy it, it shows you how to promote the actual system. So you're paying for training, you're paying for marketing, because the marketing that you get with the course you actually can use for other programs that you want to market. Not only that, automated cash app system actually shows you how to make money from other apps. So that's what you're paying for, Mr. Commenter, hater, right? That's what you're paying for. So when people question like, well, what is it's a system? Well, I don't understand. You in the wrong game if you're not willing to invest in courses that teach you stuff, or will train you, give you training for stuff. That's what 99% of all of these courses that you watch videos on and that you try, that's what you're paying for. You're paying for the know-how, right? And that's what the automated cash app system is. So what you're paying $27 for is you're paying $27 for a course that teaches you how to promote and how to make money from other apps. With just the $27, if you follow the course, you will definitely make your money back. That's a fact. You know how I know it? Because I actually have the system. And yes, when you promote the system, how you earn $27 commissions is when you promote it, just like I'm doing, when you sell it to someone, you're going to get $27 commissions plus the opportunity, if you're using the course, right? The things that are taught in the course, you're going to make more money than just $27 commissions. So, it's just like sometimes people watch videos and I don't know what they want. You know what I mean? Like, my channel is based off of my experiences plus I research opportunities for people and I just present it. You could take what you want from these videos, right? But I'm giving you my opinion. I've been online since 2007. I've seen so many different programs, courses. I've made money online. I still make money online. A lot of people that hate or they say comments or ask dumb questions, they're not making no money, right? They're not watching these videos to genuinely make money. They're watching videos to try to poke holes in systems. Who cares? That doesn't change the fact that automated cash app systems are a real system that can make you money. You commenting saying, well, what is it? You're really not getting, what is it, $27? What are you paying for? Get the system. Look at it, try it, and then come back and be like, oh, I don't get it, right? Because 9 times out of 10, if you're watching how to make money online videos, you're going to eventually be promoting some sort of course, some sort of system, some sort of training. That's what you're going to end up doing. So when people ask questions, it's like, it is what it is, but I give you the details, I give you the facts, in these videos. So, like I said, I just responded to that. That's what the automated cash app system is. If you're looking for a system that will teach you how to make money from other apps and show you how to resell the course, then yes, get cash app system. If you're willing to follow the steps and promote it, you will earn $27 commissions. Isn't that what we all are doing? Isn't that what we all are doing, trying to get commissions? The key is nothing wrong with trying to earn commissions. The key is what you're selling or promoting worth it? Is it good? That is what people need to be worried about. Everybody is selling something. But when I'm talking about stuff, I talk about stuff on my channel that can make you money as well, right? So this is what the system is. It's not rocket science. It's not complicated. This is what the system is. Either you with it and you're like, you know what? I wanna learn how I can make money using Cash App. This is a system for you. Is it the only system that you need? I'm sure it's not. It's the other, it's a ton of other programs and systems out there. But this one I'm talking about is legit. I've made money with it, over 200 easy bucks, just from promoting this. And I could have made a lot more if I focus on it, because they teach you how to do the things with other apps, but I just didn't do it because I didn't want to. Maybe you want to make more money with other apps. That's up to you. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out, and I hope the person that left that comment watching this, I hope you're watching it, and so you can say something dumb. But anyway, if you want to check out Automated Cash App System, you already know, link is below. You can comment, good or bad. Give the video a thumbs up if you like what I said. Be sure to subscribe, because I'm always bringing that content. Till the next time, peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.